guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I teach you chapter chemical bonding and molecular structure. इस चैप्टर के मैं आपको कुछ लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस लेके आई हूँ, जो कि आप लोग इस चैप्टर के लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस तैयार कर लीजिए। ये बहुत ही मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। सो नाउ स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय टर्म electrovalency? Explain with example. So this is most important question. Now second, electrovalent compounds are conductor of electricity. Which covalent compound are not? Explain with the suitable example. How does a covalent bond form? Explain with an example. Okay. Now question number 4, what do you understand by non-polar covalent bond? Explain with a example. Okay, so this is also a long question. Now question number 5, on the basis of following property, differentiate electrovalent and covalent compound. First, electrical conductivity. Second, MPT and BPT. Third, solubility in polar and non-polar solvents. Now question number 6, explain the coordination bond with example. Now question number 7, how do the sigma and pi bond formed? Explain each with example. So this is the most important question. Now question number 8, what does the strength of a covalent bond depend on the following? Hybridization, shape of atomic orbital, overlapping. So इसके आपके पॉइंट लिखने हैं. Now question number 9, explain Fazan rule. On the basis of Fazan rule, selection the more ionic compound in given pair. So this is a given pair. इसके आपको rule लिखना है पूरा. Now question number 10, differentiate between the following: electrovalent and covalent bond, polar and non-polar bond, sigma and pi bond, coordination and covalent bond. इस इन सब के आपको शॉर्ट में लिखना है सबका. Now question number 11, what do you understand by polar covalent bond? Explain with an example. Now question number 12, define octet rule with explain it expansion. Okay. Now question number 13, explain the formation covalent bond by the formation of sp and pp overlapping. Now question number 14, what do you understand by hybridization of orbital? Give the type of hybridization. Explain any one type of hybridization given an example. Describe sp2 hybridization with an example. Now question number 15, differentiate between hybridization in CH4 and C2H4. Now question number 16, explain the following with example: sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, resonance and resonance hybrid bond haber cycle. So आप देख सकते हैं ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, कितनी बार पूछा गया है. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, how many type of orbital overlapping are known? Explain each with one example. Now question number 18, explain the bonding and hybridization in following compounds: C2H4, BF3. Now question number 19, discuss the shape of the following molecule on the basis of valence shell electron pair repulsion VSEPR theory. Okay. So first point H2O, second CS3. Now question number 20, write the MOT configuration of the following molecules: first B2, second C2, third N2, fourth O2 and fifth F2. Now question number 21, it is most important question. What is H bond? Hybrid bond. Do all the compound containing hybrid may form H or H bond? Explain why BPT of HF is higher than that of HCl. So this is most important. Now question number 22, explain with example that which type of bond is formed when. So difference in electronegativity in maximum, difference in electronegativity in minimum. Now question number 23, write the electron dot structure of PCl5. Now question number 24 first point, write to resonating structure of O3. which obey octet rule. Okay, now question number 24 का second part. Write to resonating structure of N2O which obey octet rule. Write all the possible resonating structure of NO3 minus. Now question number 25. Explain why BeF2 is linear. Now question number 26. What is the VSEPR theory? On the basis explain the geometric of H2O. So this is a completed question of long answer type question. 1 to 26 क्वेश्चंस आपके लॉन्ग आंसर्स में प्रिपेयर हो चुके हैं. सो आप लोग इतने ही प्रिपेयर, आप लोग लॉन्ग आंसर्स आप लोग इतने प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए. आपकी ये चैप्टर पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ओके, अब मैं जो वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी वो होगी ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस एंड कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के रिलेटेड. सो आप लोग वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए. ओके, जिससे मेरी सारी नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुँचे. ओके, टेक केयर, बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.